Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of the AutoCAD full course 2019, and in this video we're gonna learn how to use the mirror command right here. Now, as usual, there are several ways to access this command, simply by clicking on the icon on the home palette on the ribbon, or just by going to view, then the tool palettes, then modify, then you can find it right here, or just by typing it on the screen as we learned in the last videos. Now I'm gonna go over and draw something simple, rectangular, and a circle, just like that. Now if I want this circle to be here, but I don't want to draw a new one, and I want to be fast, I can just select it, then click on the icon. Then he's gonna ask me to specify the first point of the mirror line. I'm gonna click here, then select this one to be the mirror line. Now he's gonna ask you if you want to erase the source object, meaning this circle, and keep this one, or you want to keep them together. You can click on no to keep them together. Now that was pretty much what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and stay tuned for another video.